In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Claude AI. If you prefer a softer look that's easier on your eyes, especially in low light, this quick walkthrough will help you switch Claude's interface to a darker theme in just a few clicks. First, log into Claude at Claude AI using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in and looking at the main interface, find your profile area in the bottom left corner of the screen. It typically shows your initials or a small profile image. Click that profile section to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to a panel where you can customize how Claude looks and behaves. In the left-hand navigation within Settings, select Appearance. This is where all the visual options live, including theme preferences. Under the Color Mode section, you'll see options that control how the interface is displayed. To turn on the dark theme immediately, choose Dark. The change should apply right away, and you'll notice the background and interface elements switch to deeper tones that reduce glare and can make text feel more comfortable to read, particularly in dim environments. If you prefer Claude to adapt automatically based on your device's theme, select Match System instead. With Match System turned on, Claude will follow whatever your computer or mobile device is using. If your system switches to dark mode in the evening or when battery saver is on, Claude will follow along. When your system returns to light mode, Claude will adjust back automatically. It's a convenient set and forget option if you like a consistent experience across apps. Most of the time, the theme change is instant. If you have multiple Claude tabs open and one doesn't update, a quick page refresh will usually bring the new look into sync. And remember, you can revisit these settings anytime to switch between dark, light, or match system, depending on your preference and environment. To recap, log in at Claude.ai, click your profile in the bottom left, go to Settings, open Appearance, and under Color Mode select Dark. Or choose Match System if you want Claude to follow your device's current theme. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, consider keeping Match System on to ensure Claude always aligns with your device's preferred look. Enjoy the new, more comfortable dark interface and have a great time using Claude.